So this is how we can use the green screen subscribe button or platter in iMovie on the iPad. So let me explain it to you. If this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, you gotta have your green screen footage ready. It might be something like a like or subscribe or whatever. You can get it at some official places, which you can like sign up for their service and download it. But once you have it, just go to the iMovie and find the clips that you already have as such. And you might be already editing some sort of video, but then click on the plus button to add more things. So just go to your videos where you have it stored, likely in the gallery, and you will be able to see that you can add the additional things right there. And once you find the green screen video, you don't tap on the plus button right away to add it, but instead click on the three dots for more options, which are going to show you some different things. Right, so you can see that I have the ability to click on the green/blue screen as such. It will be added on the top like this, and it should be like the green background should be removed, so you can see that it just puts it on the top of my existing clips, and it literally just removes the background on its own. So it gets the job done very simply, and it just works like that inside of iMovie. So it works well. Let me know if you managed to pull it off as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.